In this video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and type Settings. Then underneath Best Match, you should see Settings come up. Give that a click and that's going to open up your settings window. From here, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Apps. And then what you want to do is find the option for Default Apps and give that a click. What you can now do is use the search box here where it says Search Apps and just type Chrome or Google Chrome and that should now come up. Give Google Chrome a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this where you can make Google Chrome your default browser. So what you want to do is click the Set Default button, and once you've done this, you also want to scroll through and make sure all the different file types are selected to Google Chrome. Some of these might be selected to other browsers, for example like Microsoft Edge or Firefox or something like that. So if you do see anything, what you can do is simply click onto any of these, and what we can do is select Google Chrome from the list that comes up and click onto Set Default. So what's going to happen now is anytime you click any of these file types, like for example a HTML file, what's going to happen is it's automatically going to load using Google Chrome, which is really handy if you do prefer Google Chrome over other internet browsers. So that is how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.